Okay, good evening everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today is what date is 21st February 2018. So welcome everybody to the Hot Forex Malaysia webinar. Today we will talk about on the price action. Continue with the subtopic in the price action. Today I will cover on the Fibonacci and the price action. Okay, how we can combine Fibonacci and in the price action, how we can use Fibonacci to help us to trade on the price action. Okay, let's go next. Before we start, this is disclaimer penafian bahan ini adalah untuk kegunaan pembelajaran dan pemasaran saja dan tidak melibatkan sebarang analisa atau kajian pelaburan. Kandungan dalam nota perdagangan ini tidak boleh dinilai sebagai nasihat atau cadangan pelaburan untuk kegunaan pembelian atau penjualan suatu instrumen kewangan. Informasi yang diberikan adalah diambil daripada sumber-sumber yang diperukir dan maklumat yang mengenai prestasi lalu tidak boleh digunakan sebagai jaminan atau untuk prestasi akan datang. Dengan ini, anda sebagai pengguna bahan kandungan dalam pembentakan ini adalah memperoki bahawa sebarang pelaburan dalam forex dan produk CFD adalah dikategorikan sebagai risiko tinggi di mana pengguna adalah bertanggungjawab sepenuhnya. Pihak kami tidak bertanggungjawab untuk sebarang kerugian daripada pelaburan yang diambil berdasarkan informasi yang terdapat dalam pembentakan ini. Okey, ini penafian yang anda perlu faham. So, webinar ni more on the education. Okay. More on education, bukannya bagi signal, bagi analisis ke apa. Analisis more on the education purposes. Okay, harap semua faham ya. Okay, saya Tuku Isak, trader di Hot Forex. Trainer di Hot Forex, HF Education Center Malaysia, base saya. And then, I've been with the Hot Forex for the past 1 year. Okay, for the past 1 year. But I'm an individual trader. I trade on my own since 2012 in the forex especially. But before that, I involved in as a consultation in the import-export business, financial sector since 2008. Okay, I always emphasize to my student, to the client, to the traders, always trust ourselves. Okay, trust yourself. When you make decision, you need to trust yourself, not trust others. Because we trade on our own money, so the decision is on you. Don't trade your own money, but follow the others. That is a wrong thing. Okay? That is wrong thing. Your money, your decision, your trade. So your risk. Remember that. Trust yourself. Keep it simple, which is less is more. Okay? So, market move in trend. Okay? Market move in trend, everybody know uptrend, downtrend, and sideways. Okay? And price always move in a wave, going up, going down, up, down, uptrend, sideways, and downtrend. By using Fibonacci, basically, support, same like support resistance, we can predict the movement of the trend. When it will go up, when it retraces, where it will stop, probability there, we can identify by using a Fibonacci. Okay, so this is the question. When we talk about price action, when the price is on the uptrend, what we do? Make profit with buying. Okay, when the price is going up, the trend is going up, make profit by buy. Can if going up trend, we know it move in wave. Can we sell? Yes, of course we can sell this area. This area. But remember, when we take a sell position, actually we counter trend. Because the trend is up. When you sell, you counter the trend. The problem is we don't know how far it will go. Maybe we go just like this and go. So maybe your sell get a loss. So why not, if the uptrend, kalau uptrend, you focus on the buy. Going up, retrace, okay, buy. Going up, retrace, buy again. This is the simplest and the easiest method. Okay, up, down, up, down, up, down. So, if the down, focus on the sell. Follow the trend. The simple words is follow the trend. Kalau you tak follow the trend, it's quite difficult. Okay. and Fibonacci. What is the trend do with the Fibonacci? Okay, we go for the basic Fibonacci. Ini saya dah repeat few times last year. Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci is a number basically. Fibonacci number. Okay, developed by mathematician. Okay, Leonardo of Pisa, also known as a Fibonacci in year 1002. 1202. Okay, it's about 800 years ago. Okay, the sequence is characterized by the sum of the two preceding number. Apa maksudnya? Fibonacci punya number ni unik tau. 1, 1. 1 campur 1 you dapat 2. 2 campur 1 you dapat 3. 3 campur 2 you dapat 5. 5 plus 3 you get 8. 8 plus 5 you get 13. 13 plus 8 you get 21. So, this number is a sum of this number. Clear? At the back, 55 plus 89 you will get 144. This is how Fibonacci is developed. The sequence of the Fibonacci. Okay. Fibonacci initially developed and observed in natural phenomena. Okay, kalau you tengok satellite image awan, dia punya ratio is a Fibonacci spiral. Kalau dalam pokok, Fibonacci 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. Dia punya ranting. 1 split to 2, and then split to 3, and then split to 5, split to 8. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how it works. So Fibonacci actually is used on the natural phenomena, and then until one day, I cannot recall which year, Fibonacci start to be applied in the charting. Okay, dalam chart they start to apply. And then because of the accuracy of Fibonacci, itu dia dah jadi macam must know ratio. Okay, must know ratio untuk semua trader. Okay, this is, I not say compulsory, but 90% trader need know the Fibonacci. So price action is the psychology. Okay, price move based on the psychology. If you are greedy, you buy, price go up. If you fear, okay, so dalam financial, dia guna tu, everybody look for the Fibonacci sequence and then develop the system based on the Fibonacci and help us for the trade. Okay. And dalam financial, it's not a number only. You have something which is a ratio. We call it Fibonacci ratio. Okay, ratio is not a number, it's not a sequence, but the how to say that? It's not a sequence, but the average of the divide of the Fibonacci number. Okay, so like this one, 1.618 is approximation for the 21 divided by 13, 34 divided by 21. Okay, this divide before you get number. Then this one is before after you will get another one, we call it 0.6180 or 61.8 retracement. Okay, so dalam Fibonacci, the basic Fibonacci ratio yang kita guna dalam trading is a Fibonacci retracement. 0, 23.6, 38.2, 61.8 and 100. Semua ini So you have a Fibonacci retracement ratio. We can know where is the best position untuk entry. Okay, common ratio is 0, 33.6, 38.2, 61.8. So this thing is a Fibonacci ratio, but don't get full. 50% is not a ratio. 50% is half of the Fibonacci 50 is a half of 100%. 78.6 is square root of the golden ratio 61.8. So this one is square root of this one, and this one is square root of this one. So this is the retracement number yang common kita akan pakai. 0, 23.6, 38.2, 61.8, 100, and 50. Okay, the first part of the Fibonacci ratio is a Fibonacci retracement. How we want to use a Fibonacci retracement. Itu sangat penting. That's why, kalau uptrend, buy, we want to know where we can entry the buy based on the pullback. Okay, when the price is uptrend, for sure it will have a retracement. Bila dia ada retrace, we call it pullback. So mana dia nak berhenti, basically we can use a Fibonacci untuk cari ratio-ratio. Okay, so Fibonacci retracement kita boleh gunakan untuk trading. Tapi sekejap lagi saya akan tunjuk macam mana kita nak gunakan Fibonacci retracement untuk combine dengan price action. Okay, saya terus pergi ke chart lah. Sini dah ada. Okay, let I remove everything. Okay. This is the current market. Okay, this is the current market. Ini adalah resistance. Ini adalah support. Betul. Ini adalah support. Ini sudah pecah. Ini adalah resistance. Dan ini adalah support. So, the price is falling down. Kalau kita ikut classical support resistance, kita akan tunggu sampai sini. Kalau ada rejection, kita akan buy. Combinekan SNR dengan candlestick pattern. So, down here, if you have a rejection, then you go. So, when it down here, classical SNR, we wait for the reversal and we go. But how do we know this area is very strong? Kita boleh gunakan Fibonacci untuk carikan confluence. Confluence maksudnya untuk support kita punya analysis. Remember one thing, okay? Remember one thing. How to say that? Remember one thing. Fibonacci level, also known as a support and resistance level. Sebab apa? Sebab psikologi, all the trader is looking for the... Okay, macam mana kita nak lukis? Macam ni ya. Saya akan lukis daripada swing low ke swing high yang sebelum. Okay, macam ini. This is swing. Okay. High, low, high, higher, low, high, higher, low, high, higher, low, high, higher, low, high. So how we know this will happen? So high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Adakah dia akan terus turun ataupun dia akan reject? One way, kita akan tengok price action SNR. The other way is we wait price to approach the level and then we go for the trade when we have a reversal pattern. Tapi for me, I can use Fibonacci as another filter for the trading. Right now, from the swing low, previous swing low to swing high, and you can see what you can see. Okay, ini yang jadi sebelum. When price coming here and reject and reverse, is this a good area? Yes. Kalau kita tengok belakang sebenarnya, here is the past support and resistance area. Here. So what happened? Hello, clear. Test 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Audio connection problem. Okay. Clear? Okay, saya sambung. You boleh nampak sini. Okay, I cuba buang. When the price is coming back here, sini adalah resistance. Ini adalah support. Support around here. Here support. So bila price patah balik sini, you tengok swing low to swing high, dia coincide dengan apa? Dia coincide dengan 50% retracement zone. Okay, if I change the color, this one to the blue, you can see. At the same time, it's a support resistance area. Okay, support resistance area. So what happen? Bila reversal di sini, kita ada 3 confirmation. 1 SNR. 2 reversal pattern. 2 Fibonacci. That SNR juga berdekatan dengan Fibonacci punya level. So ini menunjukkan SNR ini sangat kuat. Okay. Sama juga SNR sini. What you seeing now, this SNR, this Fibo zone and SNR is very close to each other. So for me, I'm more on the zone. For me, this zone is also strong support zone. So if the price, let's say, break low, I will wait here to see what happened. Because why? Here is 78.6 support of Fibo retracement and SNR support. If it reject, it may go again. Okay. So kalau kita tengok sebelum ni, saya pergi sini, macam sini. You nampak price naik. Okay. Saya tukar tebal sikit lah. Okay, you nampak price naik, betul. And then, what happened? Price retrace balik. Bila retrace balik, macam mana kita nak tahu kat mana dia nak stop? One way is using support resistance. Okay, this is the support previous. This is another support previous. So, when you see the retrace, ini kita fokus on the buy, start on the buy zone, kita boleh nampak. Tarik daripada low kepada high, mana dia stop? Dia stop dekat kawasan sini. Yang mana is a support area plus the Fibo area. So, bila ada reversal, you see the reversal, you take the trade and you make money. And then, selagi benda ni trending, every time it go up, it will go down. When it go down, kita panggil retrace, just put the measurement. So you can see, from low to high, dia turun sampai sini, dia reject. Okay, dia reject and they go up again. And dia naik, dia turun, reject, go up again. If we look at this, there must be a history SNR. Okay, history mesti pernah adanya dekat sini. And dekat sini. Cuba kita tengok the other pair. Let we look here. Okay, GBP, JPY. Daily. What is going on now? Kita nampak price going up. Betul. So, focus on the buy. But before we start, we need to have a support and resistance zone. Or area, or whatever that you call. This is the support resistance. Yang saya ajar support resistance sebelum ni, siapa yang miss webinar. This is how I draw support resistance. So I see from low here to high and then it's coming back again. So apa I buat, I boleh tarik Fibonacci from low to high and I can see what happened is price reject 78.6. So, apa jadi bila kita dapat rejection sini dan juga berhampiran dengan SNR zone, macam ini dia jauh sikit. Okay. Dia hanya reject Fibo, tapi it's not SNR not around here. SNR is slightly above here. I consider this is not a very good quality information. I only interested kalau dia macam sini, dia retrace sampai ke sini saja. Kawasannya sangat dekat. Between 50 and the support resistance. Let me look another pair. AUD JPY. So this is example. What we see now is the price is going up, right? If we look into the bigger picture, price is more on the sideways. But if we go for the smaller, we can see price start to going up. So what we do is basically like this one. Oh, sorry, not this one. We take the Fibonacci, swing high to swing low. You can see it make a rejection. And at the time rejection with the engulfing and then go. So that's how Fibonacci assists. Okay, tapi kalau kita tengok sini, yang mana sini ya, Few years ago, is a resistance become support. Kita tengok yang lain. Let's say USD CHF. This one. Ini support. Ini resistance. Ini resistance. So where is the next movement of the USD CHF? We can see the trend is bit down. So what we do, focus on sell, swing high to swing low. Okay, downtrend, retrace, kita nak cari tempat untuk kita sell ke, kita nak buy ke, apa ke. So where to do, use the confluence SNR dengan Fibonacci. So this is paling rapat jarak dia. So most likely scenario, price akan come back to here and make decision either to reverse or break higher. Okay. So Fibonacci basically today I'm more on the tunjuk macam mana saya gunakan Fibonacci, saya combine dengan price action. Like this one, we all can see that price is falling down slowly. However, this is very strong price movement. So what we do, look for the support and resistance first. So for this position, what we want to do, I'm asking you, do you want to sell or do you want to buy? If we look back a few months ago, I'm more on the sell part. Okay, I'm more on the selling part. So what happened? I always draw the Fibonacci. How to draw Fibonacci? Simple. Swing high to swing low. This is the resistance. Here. And the one way is smaller the swing. This is also a possible retracement area. So what happened? Kalau saya lukis ini, swing high to swing low, this line so here we can use Fibonacci and conference dengan support resistor macam sini, support resistor dengan Fibonacci level dekat-dekat. So what we can do is, here is the area of the confluence. Support that resistance 23.6, support here. So kita gunakan Fibonacci sebenarnya dalam price action bantu kita to find berapa tempat yang probability tinggi untuk kita cari trade. Daily. What do you see? Tell me. I see a buy. So like GU, this one, where it will go. One, use the so if we take from the swing low, what we see here, to the swing high, kita boleh nampak this is very good zone. Because why? Support, resistance, and then 38.2. Ini pun is a good support and resistance. Because why? Because the Fibonacci level and the support resistance level lebih kurang sama. Okay, so macam mana kita nak prepare? That we look here. Macam mana kita nak prepare menggunakan Fibonacci dengan price action? Actually, can do like this. You find the support and resistance first. Swing low, swing high, and you can see where is the important area. Here is the important area. Sini ada banyak support. So here also a important area. Ini daily. So what happened? I know this support resistance is quite strong, plus the Fibonacci area. Okay, double the strong. Right now, what I'm doing, wait for the reversal. So let me look at another one, AUD NZD daily. If we look here, the trend more on the uptrend. Okay, the mid of last year uptrend now is down back. Okay, how we want to trade? Okay, I'm still on the buying side because this is more on the retracement, let's say. So what I do usually, I draw the support and resistance. Hello, hi. Here, where's the support? Support is here. Where's the next support? The next support is here. Okay, this is the support. here quite empty. Sini lah resistance sikit. So what I'm watching here is price break the support, retest and go down. So if I want look for the where the reversal happen, I will draw from the low to the top and try to find the area which have a good confluence of the Fibo and the support resistance. Macam sini, sini. So what is the psychology? The psychology is Fibonacci trader nampak ini area yang strong dan ini area yang strong. So kalau you nak sell, maybe you can look for it retest and sell again. Kalau you nak buy, maybe what we can do is here and reject. Fibonacci basically, Fibonacci 50, 38, 33.6, 61.8, 78.6, 100 is a ratio. Ini memberikan impact psikologi kepada pasaran. Okay? Because trader also look the Fibonacci ratio area. But we, for the price action, we look more trade as a support and resistance. So what happened? We trying to use a conventional support and resistance and try to find the closely overlap zone with the Fibonacci. Ini adalah zone-zone yang menarik untuk kita trade. Untuk kita cari potential reversal point. Okay, gold. Try tengok gold. Okay, saya banyak pada daily. I want to show you daily first. Okay, let's withdraw. Withdraw the support resistance area. Okay, support. Yes, resistance. Okay, more or less like this. Okay. So, macam mana nak draw support resistance? Selalu saya akan ambil peak, bottom, peak, bottom, peak, bottom. Sini bottom jauh sangat, sini peak. Okay, bottom sini jauh sangat daripada price. I will pick around the price, closely to the price. And like this one, I will try to overlap as much as the support resistance area. So we can see here, okay, since ini, the trend is more on the uptrend. We look for the buying opportunity. Betul ke tak? We look for going up the opportunity. So what happened? Kita drawkan Fibonacci, bottom to the top. Okay, bottom to the top and try to find the zone which is close to the support and resistance. This is the zone of the Fibonacci yang quite nicely overlap. So what I'm doing, I will wait the price to come down here for me to get some idea of the trade. Kalau dia turun, kalau dia naik, it's okay for me as well. Because one thing, sini pun ada support, rejection support. Based on the support resistance alone, kita boleh trade. Tapi dengan bantuan Fibonacci, we can identify where is more influential zone untuk kita trade. So what is the advantage? The advantage is this area is high possibility area, high probability area, ratio area. Okay, all about Fibonacci, detail Fibonacci, basic Fibonacci, I think you can look at the YouTube Hot Forex Malaysia webinar, you cari situ, saya ada ajar pasal Fibonacci. Hari ini saya cuba relatekan how we can use Fibonacci and the support resistance together. Okay, I will show you example. I will talk more next week. This week more on the idea. Okay, idea macam mana kita menggunakan Fibonacci dan juga Fibonacci dan juga support resistance. Now we draw the support resistance. This is example. Top, bottom. Okay. Macam jadi ni quite far away, tapi tak ada masalah. And you can see that this is the support resistance area. If I draw, this is also support resistance area, quite far away, but still usable. Okay, this is resistance. I don't want to draw too much. Nanti semua akan confuse kalau banyak sangat. So more or less like this. So kalau kita ambil Fibonacci top to the bottom, swing high to swing low, and you try to find where is the strong area. Oops, sorry. You can see ini. Okay, this line is very influential area. This line is very influential area. Sebab apa? Sini support resistance area dan juga Fibonacci area. Fibonacci 61.8 is a golden ratio. This also a important area. Excuse me. Sekejap minum air. Tapi kalau kita tengok, if we look here, the trend is strong on the upward currently. Kalau sampai sini, you see the rejection. Okay, you see the rejection. Do you want to sell? That's the question. For me, I will not. I will wait it to come down here, rejection bullish, baru I can look for buy at here. Because why? Because the market trend is uptrend. Try to trade, follow the trend. Even though Fibonacci, this is strong area, kalau ada reversal, you can take a counter trend trade, tapi don't take the higher risk. Take the lower risk trade. Follow the trend. Itu resipi dia. Okay, that we look at the CHF as the decade. AUD CHF, let's say one. Daily. Daily right now, kalau kita zoom in, market is more on the downside punya movement. Betul. So, kita sudah ada top, kita sudah ada bottom. And then we try to identify the support resistance area. Here. And here. Here. Here, zoom in. So, if we take a Fibonacci top to bottom, where is the area? Is very influential area. Here. Right now, kalau you tengok kenapa dia sampai sini, dia naik sampai ke sini, dia reverse balik. The reason is this. 23.6. Because remember, Fibonacci also a strong SNR zone. So you can see price drop down, retrace back to 23.6. Down, retrace back to 23.6. And then reject again. If this reject, I see the engulfing dekat sini, tomorrow morning, I will try to take a short trade. Sebab apa? Trend memang tengah turun. Ini rejection. Price coming down, retrace, and reject. Why not we take a trade? Follow the trend. Risk dia atas sini. Target 1 to 2, let's say. Okay. Kita maybe entry trade sini, esok risk kita kat sini, target kita sini. This is how Fibonacci help us to identify what we can use. Okay. Semua clear? Senyap eh? Don't worry, next week I will continue with another round of Fibonacci. Okay. This week I try to give you idea how we can combine Fibonacci with the price action. Okay, let's say one more example, Euro JPY. Okay. Tadi saya selalu tunjuk daily. Let we go down to H4. Okay, H4. This is bottom right. This is the top. Betul. And try to find the support resistance area. Here is very clear. Here is very clear as well. Here is very clear. Support resistance area. Okay. I try to use the H4. Price action is workable at all time frame. But saya suggest gunakan higher time frame because less false signal, senang nak trade. Now, the trend based on the current trend is more on the down trend. Am I right? So, kalau kita tarik, okay, Fibonacci always tarik left to right. Kalau left top to bottom right. Kalau left bottom, kanan top. Okay, you can see same behavior here. This is the support SNR zone plus the Fibonacci zone. Ini sudah sampai bottom. You can see they retrace, reject, going down. And going up again. Yesterday, it give us a setup. Okay. Kalau siapa belajar, siapa dah faham candlestick pattern, this is the evening star. So, we take the trade here, stop loss atas sini, our target, jap. H4, 54 pips. You try to go, let's say 100 pips or 94 pips, okay, risk reward. Kadang-kadang saya go for 75 pips. Ini bottom dia, okay, 75 pips, 1.5 risk reward ratio. So, ini saya punya target. Okay. Ini cara kita menggunakan Fibonacci campur dengan SNR. And then, confirmation with the candlestick pattern. It is easy actually. Ini saya tak masuk yang more detail per wave. Okay, this wave, 50% retracement. And look to the left. This is the resistance area. So, this is the golden ratio area. Rejection cell. Okay. Next week saya akan buat macam ni. Kita go on the minor trend. Identify minor trend, retracement 50. Look to the left. Where it is. Okay, support resistance area. Support resistance area. Sini adalah support resistance. Smaller wave, smaller wave. One more last. Sebelum saya stop. Let we look, try to look. Bukan forex lah, kita tengok stock market. Let's say Germany, USA. DAX. Okay. DAX. Okay, DAX. Daily. Daily. Okay. Let's say we try to take H1. Okay. Look into the bigger picture. Price is on the uptrend. Right? Focus on buy. Go down to H1. So what we see here, the retracement going up, retracement going up. Try to get the support and resistance area. Ini resistance, ini kita tahu support. Sini support, ini yang market crash last week. Okay. What else? Okay, more or less. Here, I tried to get a view yang okay, like this one. Right? Sini dia sudah ada bottom. Betul. Sini dia dah naik and then dia retrace balik. Okay, sini bottom. Kita ambil wave sini ya. So, take bottom to the top and try to look at this area. This area. Okay. What else area? This area. And this area. Support. So, this area is a high probability area. Kenapa saya cakap high probability area? Sebab this area have a support zone, at the same time is fall close to the Fibonacci ratio zone. So what is the probability? Probability kalau you ada, wait for the price action. Okay, wait for the price action. Market tak buka lagi, sekejap lagi baru buka 10.30. Okay, wait for the price action. Maybe we have some rejection here and it will go up back to here. Or it break down here, never mind. Maybe it retrace, go back down here. So here is the opportunity for buy zone. Jangan sell sebab apa? Sell counter trend is quite dangerous. So look for the opportunity untuk buy. Retracement, buy. Retrace, buy. Okay, last kali US oil. Oil lah. Let's say we talk about H4. Kalau saya tak guna SNR, here. Reject 78.6 nicely. Okay, but look to the left. This is the resistance become support. Sebab tu dia reject sini. Kalau orang price action kata ini resistance become support, this is strong support resistance area. Orang Fibonacci kata this, oh no, this is the 78.6 retracement. Don't care about retracement, don't care about blah blah blah. If you combine together, okay, both of them is a very strong area. Rejection, you don't see a reversal yet, but here you get the reversal. A strong engulfing pattern. Okay, if you go for it, you already in profit. Walaupun risk dia agak besar sini, 21, still 1 to 1 dah achieve lah. Kalau you nak hold, maybe go to here. 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. But why is stop here? Why is stop here? Because here also you have a support resistance area. Here, the resistance. But why is stop here? 50%. Oh, setengah kata, this is 50% ratio. But if you look here, this is the support area. Betul tak? So, Fibonacci trader tak salah. Price action trader tak ada masalah. But if we combine together, we can get a better opportunity. Now, price target here. Okay. Price target here. Okay. If we take another Fibonacci, draw from bottom to top here, another swing. Okay, saya tukar color lah. You boleh nampak dia retrace kat mana. Okay, here also a support area. Support sini. Tapi this quite complex, involve 2 or more Fibonacci. You make it simple, you can see this is support. Price break, retest. So if ada H4 bullish engulfing, then another chance to go higher. Another chance to go higher. Seriously. Kalau dia break bawah, chances turun dekat sini. Because why? Nampak tak? Sini. Sini. Ini resistance, ini support, ini support. For me, you ask me, what should I do? I follow the daily trend. Buy. I will wait for the buying opportunity. Breakout, buy. Reversal, buy. Kalau reversal sini pun saya akan buy. Dekat mana yang sesuai. This is how price action and Fibo can help each other. Okay. Next week, I will show to you more precise. We will work more on the example. Okay. If you have any problem, I try to get the link. Sebab try to go back to my last year webinar recording. I bagi link kat you all on the Fibonacci. Last year ada 32 series. Kejap bagi I 1 minit. Kejap I nak dapatkan link. Yeah. Okay. I think I share to you all link. Pergi kat bahagian chat ataupun kalau siapa-siapa dekat handphone pergi bahagian question. Bahagian attendees announcement tu. Saya bagi link YouTube. Ada dapat tak? Tolong respon sekejap. Ada dapat tak? Link tu. YouTube punya link. I share sekali lagi ya. Okay, kalau ada dapat copy that, look back, situ last year I ada cakap pasal Fibonacci. Okay, I ada cakap pasal Fibonacci. Here I more emphasize on the how we can combine. Okay. How we can combine Fibonacci and the price action punya strategi. It a bit advanced. But don't worry, next week we will repeat again. I will repeat back slowly. I will go back how we can go set out one by one. But now I want you to get the idea. Macam mana price action actually is a very flexible system. Okay. Okay. Balik. Try to look back on the YouTube punya recording. Listen back to my husky voice. Okay. Okay. Suara besar saya. So try to listen back. Next week, Wednesday, we will go for the second round of the Fibonacci and the price action. Okay. How we can combine the Fibonacci and the price action. Vice versa. Okay. So today, just that, because time limitation. Next week will be more example. We'll go more on the other time frame as well. Okay. So Monday, don't forget weekly market preview. Weekly market preview, we can look onto that and try to find the opportunity for the market. So hopefully to see you again next week. Okay. This all for today. My apologies if you how to say, if any wrong on my side, kekurangan pihak saya. Selamat berdagang kepada semua trader. So hopefully we meet again next week. Second series of price action and Fibonacci. So, see you again. This is all for tonight. Everybody, good night, everybody. Bye bye, and Assalamualaikum.